I moved here 20 years ago and thought it would be a great place to grow a few fruit trees. I have tried varieties of plum, apple, peach, and cherry, with them all having basically the same results. Constant battle spraying for fungus and insects and no fruit. So the question is, what is the easiest fruit to grow in East Tennessee? And this is Jim from Kodak, Tennessee. And Peter, I'm going to throw this to you. And of course, I have Mr. D in my head here. You know, peaches, plums, nectarines, spray schedules.
Well, yeah, but Mr. D also says that he doesn't grow peaches, plums, and nectarines. He goes and buys them because it's such a pain to grow them. Apples, a little easier. But if you want easier things, you try blueberries, try blackberries. Those are fruits that are pretty easy to grow and don't have a lot of pests. You may have some bird issues, but that's I would say easier to take care of than having fungus and insects and all the stuff that goes with that.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with growing these different varieties, Booker, but yeah, you're gonna have to put those on a spray schedule.
You got a spray schedule in there, so, and also prune for your peach tree. It really had an open center. And the other thing is, you do decide to go blueberry. That's easy to grow and good to go. You want to do a soil test to make sure that that soil pH in there. They like kind of like an acid soil in the way. But that was a good thing to grow though in there. But like I said, you got to have a lot of work. And I know you don't put out there in the sun and go back, go in the house and relax. Right. You got to keep a check on that.
Yeah, it's nothing easy about some of those fruit trees.
Yeah, nothing about that.
It's nothing easy.
You just got to hobby, you just like doing that in there.
Spray schedule. So this is what I'm going to say too, Mr. Jim. Go to your local extension office there in Sevier County, right? Adam Hopkins is the hort agent there in Sevier County. He can help you out. He's good. So Adam Hopkins there in Sevier County. Check him out. He can help you out.
One other thing I want to say on that is if you buy or if you plant a variety of kinds of blueberries and blackberries, you can actually get fruit off of them for a lot of the growing season. So yeah, just get some early, some early blackberry or early blueberries, middle blueberries, late blueberries. Same thing with blackberries. If you get the floricane growing kind, you get them earlier in the year. But if you get the primocane fruiting kind, then you get them later in the fall. So if by some smart planting, you can get berries all year, or a lot of the year. Yeah,
that's a good idea.
I like blueberry.
Yeah, blueberries are good. Blueberries are good. And again, Mr. Jim, you check with Adam Hopkins. He would have a list of the varieties that you can grow there in Sevier County. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.